Very good evening to all of you. I returned to Sri Lanka a few days back and currently enjoying my quarantine in Kandy. In fact, even if I am under quarantine, I connect with my clients electronically and also with my office because we went paperless well before the pandemic actually. So wherever I may be, I have that luxury to keep my services intact and continue to provide services to my clients. Recently I have seen a surge in migration inquiries, the number of inquiries we receive. Unfortunately, we cannot accommodate, and also we cannot respond to all phone inquiries also. However, we have a structured system to assist you, and if you go to get the details through the link given above this video, you can even speak to me if you meet the criteria, in which consultation I will finally determine whether I am willing to accept you as a client. At Zenith Immigration, we accept only a limited number of clients every year to ensure that I will have enough time to pay personal attention to each and every client of mine. The secret of the success behind the pioneer immigration law firm in Sri Lanka, established 2000. The other limiting factor is we only choose promising programs for our clients, promising visa programs, even if there are so many different visa programs. We want to ensure that we will deliver the results which we have been doing with an impeccable record for 21 years. Now, if you are below 30 and with you have 3 years of work experience in any skill occupation, it does not matter whether you are an admin assistant or the top manager in the same organization, you will get the same number of points. That's the beauty of this program. And if you are 30, 31 or 32, you should have a brother or sister in Canada to add some more points, or you should have experience in one of the occupations, one of the few occupations. Actually, a list of those occupations are given in our website www.zenithimmigration.ca, and the qualification ideally a master's degree, even a bachelor degree or a 3-year diploma plus a 1-year qualification may be considered, and IELTS test results, general test results, at least 8 for listening and 7 each for the other 3 bands. And if you meet the criteria, you can submit your own application, just like you can go to a pharmacy and buy your own medicine and take it. You can do it by yourself. However, be very careful. Unlike in a cricket match, you don't get a second innings, and even the simplest mistake could put you in trouble and make you lose the once in a lifetime opportunity for you and your whole family. And also be very careful about people who are preying on you. There are so many wolves out there in the sheep's clothing preying on you, promising heaven and earth in terms of Canadian migration or even work opportunities. In order for somebody to provide Canadian migration services, he or she should be a Canadian immigration consultant, regulated Canadian immigration consultant, or a Canadian lawyer. And in order for him or her to get that license, he must be a Canadian permanent resident or a citizen himself. And also be aware that Sri Lankan agents or Sri Lankan companies without such license, they cannot accept your money. Only the Canadian consultant or the lawyer can accept your money. Sri Lankan agents or companies cannot even sign agreements with you. Be very careful about this, because we have so many sad stories, so many tragic stories of people coming to us with visa refusals after getting caught to such unscrupulous people. One actually incident still lingers in my memory. It happened few years back. One top professional in Sri Lanka, and she actually got the services of an Australian migration agent to provide the Canadian migration services, and the immigration authorities found that out, and that is misrepresentation of facts, and her visa not only was denied, but also she was banned for 5 years. Therefore, I mean, protect yourself, and that kind of strict laws are in place to protect you, actually the general public. Yeah, that's pretty much all about it for today, and I wish you the best of luck for your future.